Hello guys and welcome back. It is Vinny. In today's video, we're going to be installing the TRD side skirts onto the Subaru BRZ. Let's get right into it. I had this nest chilling, but this is what it looks like so far. So let's see where these ones are. Okay, these ones. So these ones, ow, Jesus, fucking screw driver. These went right here. It just clipped on to where you put the fucking push tabs. I don't know where one is, like these. It went in that slot, so then you can drive a screw into it, tighten it up, and then this right here, I can't get that to close up, but it closes up after it gets down there, so that should be good. And this is what the underside looks like, if I can get that. Clips onto the pinch weld, but that is pretty much it. Just got to do the same on the other side. Also, everybody was confused. These ones go onto this right here, the fender well. Clip on just like that. Should just look like that. So you don't have to drill holes. So it's clipped on and screwed like that. That's how mine is. We'll see if that stays, but looking good. Hell yeah.